on. Enjoy your trip, ladies. Okay, room first reveal. Oh, mine's did it! The automated worked for my room! I wanted that to happen and it did. Yay! This is my room. It's so nice. And I got champagne delivered. Thank you for celebrating with us. Oh, oh, and I got a special invite. Oh no, and I got something from Voyages. I got a Valentine's Day gift. We gotta see all the goodies. Oh my god, this is so awesome, you guys. I'm so pumped. Oh my god, so you're getting a good room. I think this might be my annual Valentine's because this right here was so awesome. My bed looks so good right now. We have been trying to get about. I feel like I have a huge closet. Look at all this closet space. Man, this is awesome. Oh yes, I can put my bag down right here actually right now. Oh yes, awesome. And look, additional storage. Boom, boom, boom. And, oh yeah, nice bathroom. Awesomeness. Awesomeness. Okay, and then this right here, it's worth the hype. Hell yes, it is. Let me see. And then the glory of it all. And I get our massage, we get access to all of this. So we
No,
go
but
to the
we are
massage.
different and different services. This is for the warm. You can stay there. This is the mat room.
Oh,
The mat room
nice.
is recommended use it at the last.
Uh-huh.
So previous to come inside, you go there and pick one cup, and you can
Okay.
apply the mat in your body.
Okay, perfect. And then you just wash it off again there?
Yeah, you have some showers
Yeah, you
inside.
see the little things, the steam room.
This is a steam room. This is recommended use it between 10 to 15 minutes. And here we have the salt room. And the salt room is recommended use between 10 to 20 minutes, and it helps for your respiratory areas.
Look at the feet. If you have any pain when you're walking or when you're exercising that relates to your ankle, knee, hip or back, we look at the root cause to that and we correct that. So I want you to walk naturally. Okay, left foot first before the mat, right foot on, and then keep walking. Okay. Put your normal weight on and keep walking.
Right, he said walk natural. Here she goes, walking not natural.
That was not natural.
That was not natural.
So try this.
Just walk. Don't think about it, trying to walk a certain way. Just walk.
Don't start too full. So left, right.
That's where you messing me up. I gotta think about which foot you still walk natural. Which left? My little pigeon toes now. You can tell I'm pigeon toes. That foot.
Okay, let's do the left foot now. Okay. This is your footprint. Hold it.
Hold your footprint.
Now that's the foundation of your body, yeah? This is how your foot's supposed to look like. Even weight distribution. Now the foot is
Oh my God! Don't tell me I didn't press record. Probably not. It's okay. It's okay.
This will go into any type of shoe. From an open. So I want you to walk a bit.
Our mandatory sailor assembly drill is now complete. Thank you for ensuring that our ladyship is safe and ready to sail.
This little girl here is having a ball. Time of her life. Everybody out here waiting for their champagne.
Ooh, I see a couple of you have gotten a bit comfortable, and we love to see it. In just a few moments, we will be making a toast to all you naughty, naughty sailors. So grab a glass of those tiny bubbles, soak in the view, and get to know your happenings cast. It's time for us to set sail!
headed to Razzle Dazzle for the solo meetup. I got a cute little outfit on. I don't even know where I'm going. Razzle Dazzle is five. Okay. This is the same floor as my niece, so that's good. We're going down. What's in a really easy floor? Wait for the singles meetup. It's cute. I got it from Eloquy. It's a little wrinkled at the bottom. Oh well. I was rushing. Shit. I was trying to get it together. It has been a busy first embarkation day like that. Look at the wrinkles. I'm gonna do it like this. My Celebrate party was hella fun. My niece is so much fun. I'm so happy that she joined me. So it's solo, but not solo. Let's put it like that. But we're going to the solo meetup now, so see you there. Already on record. That was hilarious.
Go ahead, girl. Yes. Thank you. Okay.
Hand me so I can get you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you, we will.
Now that I just ate all that food, I'm about to eat again. I'm gonna have to go to the gym tonight and tomorrow. My eyelashes coming off. I gotta go to the back. I didn't even bring my purse. My eyelashes will come off. This tastes like well tequila.
So the wine that this is called See Something.
See something. Let me tell you what it's called.
I have to look that up. So my review on this wine would be that it's a bit dry. It's a Chardonnay and it's a bit dry. It has a citrus taste to it and a little bit of a bite. So I do like it. It makes you go. And all of my Forelli folks know what that means. Okay, heading back to the room. I am hella tired. I'm calling it a night tonight, y'all. This is literally boarding day, and I feel like I've been on this damn cruise for 5 days. I'm tired as all get out. And y'all gotta be a part of this. So therefore, we about to go to bed tonight. We start bright and early tomorrow morning at 7:30 for the rise and shine, and then I'm gonna do the meditation, and then our day will begin. So this has been so much fun. I'm so glad I'm able to bring you all along with me. Please stay tuned. I'll be back in the morning. Good night. Okay, we're heading upstairs to the 6th floor, deck 6, to go and do shots for shots.
You don't know what you're looking at, but that's